Welcome to the best picks. The best STEM toys is probably one of the most effective ways to nurture your children's curiosity and creativity, transforming abstract concepts into tangible experiences, making learning an adventure they'll eagerly embrace. These toys are carefully designed to challenge young minds, encouraging problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and a deeper understanding of scientific principles, all while having a blast. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze. It's the Gravity Maze, winner of the Toy of the Year award. This challenging game is perfect for developing important skills while having a blast. Join over 50 million families worldwide who have discovered the fun and educational benefits of this amazing game. It's a global favorite. Playing this game helps build spatial reasoning and planning skills. It's like a fun engineering project that teaches without feeling like schoolwork. It includes everything you need: a game grid, towers, a target, marbles, and 60 challenges ranging from easy to expert. Hours of fun await. With clear instructions, you can start playing and solving right away. It's simple to pick up, but offers endless possibilities for strategic thinking. Gravity Maze is a fantastic gift for boys and girls aged 8 and up. It combines fun, challenge, and valuable learning in one exciting package. What we like. It's a classic game that has been trusted by families worldwide. If you are looking for a challenging yet fun way to develop spatial reasoning and planning skills, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for kids who enjoy problem-solving and strategic thinking, offering hours of engaging gameplay and stealth learning. What people say. The game is suitable for both kids and adults. It keeps us entertained for hours. The ThinkFun Gravity Maze is a great brain game that combines fun and learning. My kids, and even the adults, really enjoy the challenge of figuring out how to get the marble through the maze. The game starts off easy but quickly gets more challenging, which keeps everyone engaged. It's a fantastic way to encourage problem-solving and spatial thinking. The pieces are sturdy and well-made. The game introduces children to fundamental concepts of physics and problem-solving mechanics in a very natural way. The game rules are simple. There is a starting point and an end goal that are placed in a fixed orientation on the grid, and a list of which pieces can be used freely to reach that end point. The game gradually introduces levels of complexity, longer paths, double-stacked pieces, free pieces that need to be laid horizontally, solutions requiring the ball to cross back through the same piece multiple times, etc., allowing the learning process to progress intuitively. Number 4. Snap Circuits Junior SC100. Unleash your inner engineer with this amazing kit. It's a safe and fun way to learn about electronics by building over 100 cool gadgets. Kids and adults alike will love creating exciting projects. It's perfect for ages 8 and up, offering hours of entertainment and learning. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be snapping together circuits in no time. No soldering or extra tools are needed, just snap and play. Give the gift of learning and fun this holiday season. This kit provides endless entertainment and helps develop valuable STEM skills. It's not just fun, it's also an award-winning kit, recognized for its educational value and high quality. Parents and educators love it. What we like. This kit provides a safe and fun introduction to the world of electronics. If you want to spark your child's interest in engineering and circuitry, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who are curious about how things work and enjoy hands-on learning experiences, allowing them to build a wide variety of electronic gadgets. What people say. The Snap Circuit set is amazing. There are so many different, fun, educational, and exciting projects you can do with this set that it is still going strong after years of use. The kit is very well laid out, and there are plastic blow-molded trays that hold all the pieces together. This makes it very easy to tell if you're missing any pieces. There are 5 books of designs chock full of things for the kids to build, and the instructions are very easy to understand, and all the electronic components are clearly marked. The Snap Circuits Junior SC100 kit is a wonderful for curious kids who love to build and explore. This kit offers 100+ exciting projects, from creating a flying saucer to building a functional alarm, all while teaching the basics of electrical engineering in a hands-on way. The colorful instruction manual is easy to follow, making it perfect for kids aged 8 and up, and even adults who want to join the fun. Number 3. LEGO Chain Reactions Kit. Get ready to build incredible moving machines. This kit has everything you need to create amazing chain reactions. Design and build 10 different moving machines. It's more fun than you can imagine. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be a chain reaction expert in no time. The 80-page book guides you every step of the way. It comes with 33 LEGO bricks and other components to make your creations come to life. Let your imagination run wild. It's not just LEGO bricks, it includes string, ramps, and 6 plastic balls for even more creative possibilities. Get ready to experiment. The crystal-clear instructions make building a breeze. Even beginners can create awesome chain reactions. It's the perfect STEM activity for kids aged 8 and up. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. This kit is a proven winner. It's been recognized for its quality and engaging design. What we like. It's a creative building kit that combines the fun of LEGO with engaging instructions. If your child loves LEGO and enjoys building and designing, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who like to experiment and learn through hands-on activities, offering a unique way to explore engineering concepts. What people say. The kit includes 33 LEGO pieces, instructions for 10 different machines, and essential elements like ramps, gears, and string. Additional components, such as balls and paper ramps, help in creating more elaborate chain reactions. It not only guides users through the assembly of various moving machines but also introduces fundamental engineering concepts in an accessible manner. Each step is a miniature lesson in the mechanics behind the chain reactions, making it an ideal educational tool for understanding cause and effect in a tangible way. The modular design of the LEGO chain reactions components allows for a diverse range of contraptions, sparking the imagination of aspiring engineers to create their own intricate setups. The inclusion of LEGO elements seamlessly blends the joy of play with the precision of engineering, promoting hands-on learning through experimentation and iteration. Number 2. Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 Solar Robot. This amazing kit lets you build 12 different robots. It's perfect for kids who love to create and explore. It uses the power of the sun to move. It's a great way to learn about renewable energy while having fun building. This kit helps develop problem-solving skills, improves logical thinking, and encourages teamwork. It's a fantastic way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. The detailed instructions make building easy, even for younger builders. It's recommended that parents and children build the first robot together. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It provides hours of screen-free fun and learning. What we like. It's a versatile robot kit that allows kids to build and explore different types of robots. If you're looking for a fun and educational way to introduce your child to robotics and renewable energy, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and experimenting, providing hours of engaging play and learning. What people say. Did with my 9-year-old. It probably is too challenging without a teenager or adult to assist, but this is so fun and it is very inexpensive. A must-buy for LEGO fans who want to experiment with super basic electronics. Great quality. My 4th-grade daughter really enjoyed building this robot. I purchased this for Toys for Tots. I often buy toys to donate that are geared towards younger children. This seems to be a fun, engaging activity for an older child. Hopefully this sparks a love for engineering or science. Number 1. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. It's more than just a kit, it's a gateway to a world of wonder. Get ready for 100+ amazing experiments that blend science and magic. Each experiment is designed as a captivating magic trick. It's educational fun for everyone. With the included magic wand and gloves, your child can dress the part and amaze their friends and family. This kit contains all the materials for 20 incredible science magic tricks, from making snow to creating square bubbles. But the fun doesn't stop there. It also includes a bonus guide with 85+ extra experiments using common household items. Developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award, this kit ensures a stellar experience, fostering education, imagination, and creativity. What we like. It's a unique kit that combines science experiments with the excitement of magic tricks. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to teach your child about science, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for kids who enjoy learning through hands-on activities and performing for friends and family, offering a unique blend of education and entertainment. What people say. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. From creating fizzy reactions to making slime and invisible ink, every activity feels like a little piece of magic. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple to dive right into each experiment. The materials are high quality, and the experiments are safe for kids. The kit offers over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that kept my kids engaged and excited to learn. It's a fantastic way to make science fun and interactive, with activities that blend chemistry and STEM projects seamlessly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.